How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see here, we have an AI character explaining a video guide, and this one too, as you can see, this one has over 300k followers. It's powered by AI. That means it doesn't exist, and even the people followed her. And as you can see, various pictures, likes. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where personal personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of AI influencers earn millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So, first step you need to start using AI influencer on YouTube is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create it because here we have hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com, and as you can see, this is the home page. This is the page that have the website, so you can just click on the get start and then you can sign up. Here we have use cases, features, resources, company, pricing, and also you can scroll down over here. You'll find an AI character introducing the website, and if we more scroll, you'll find another AI characters explaining something. For example, product marketing, sales outreach, learning and development, content marketing, and here we have the AI avatar. So you can find a lot of AI characters here, and you will choose one, then you can get started. But before getting started, let's see what we got here. As you can see, use cases, we have your product overview, skilled outreach, learning and development, features, AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video streaming, avatar, zipper, resources, we have here blog, creator fan, affiliate program, ambassador program, weekly webinar, case studies, help center, company. Here we have about task, safety, and ethic, career, so you can choose the one you want, and then you can get information from. So you can click on get start, and then you can sign up by entering your email, your verification code, and you answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up, and it will lead you to this homepage. So this is the homepage. This is my recent creation, and if we scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. As you can see, a lot of videos that can help you to more understand how the website works. Here we have AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. If we more scroll down, you'll find templates, so with various topic, various AI character. As you can see, this is an AI character explaining or introducing the topic, so we can choose the one you want and get started. And here we have the avatar, so we can choose also the avatars. Here we have the video avatar where you're gonna choose the one you want. Let's go to studio avatar. You'll find here a lot of AI character, a various one that can help you to choose which one you want. So here we have the AI characters. Let's for example select that one. As you can see, this is question in list dress, so you can select that one. Here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID, and this one if you want to create your video, you can click on the landscape and it will lead you to this page. And let's wait a few seconds. You'll find here a lot of options, and this AI character, you can put it on the left, you can put it on the right, you can also put it on the middle. You can determine the size of your AI character, and then you can add animation. If you want to add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave, and if you want to other options, you can just click over here and you will check which is. And here we have the script, so you can delete that one and then you can edit yours. You can edit another one by clicking on plus icon, and you can edit post between these two sections. It can be 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. You can also edit recording by clicking on start, and you can upload the audio. If you find some difficulties, you can just click over here and you will type the topic you want, and then GPT scriptwriter will help you to create one. For example, if I write EI, for example, a character, so and then it can help you to create yours, so you can just send it and then you can create yours. Here we have the transition. If you want to translate your script to a specific language, you can just click here apply and it will be translated. And here if you want to translate yours to a specific voice, so here we have natural voice, explainer voice, edge voice, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and also if you want to select the language of your voice, the gender, if you want male or female. I already have here female AI character, so of course the voice will be female, the age too, the function, so you can adjust this thing if you want. It's depend on your content, it's depend on how you want your video. So there's a lot of options here you can use to get started. For example, you can change the avatar to if you want it. So by clicking on studio avatar, as you can see, a lot of AI character will appear. So you can choose the one you want. You can choose the template. So you can choose the script, text, elements, asset. So it's depend on how you want it and how you want your video, so you can edit your video to how you want. And after editing your video, it will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. You can click here on submit and download it. So there's a various way you can earn money with it using this AI character. So for example, you can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com. Offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI. Influencer can be the engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So just choose the topic you want and then you can start scripting, and make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for your both target audience and your AI influencer. So this is just two example that you can start with. There's a various way, different ways that you can get money with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.